Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We solve question number 2 part 5. In this question we want to find out the value of dy by dx. It means we will differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate, apply derivative d by dx on both sides. X into under root 1 plus y under root 1 plus x is equal to d by dx into 0. Here we apply derivative x into 1 plus y plus d by dx y into 1 plus x and derivative of any constant. Derivative of any constant is 0. So here we can apply product rule because this is variable and this is variable. X and y both are variable and the product of any two variable we will differentiate. Product of any two variable is equal to v derivative of u plus u derivative of v. So here we apply product rule. This term we consider u and this term we consider v. So we apply product rule. According to this rule, v is under root 1 plus y derivative of u is x, v derivative of u plus u is x, derivative of v. Plus similarly we can apply here u into v rule, and u into v rule according to u into v rule is plus as it is v is under root 1 plus x, derivative of u is y plus u is y, derivative of v is 1 plus x equal to 0. Now under root 1 plus y as it is, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus x 1 by 2. Here we will apply power rule according to power rule. And what is power rule? According to power rule, derivative of any power variable is n x n minus 1. So here we apply power rule, and according to power rule, under root value is 1 by 2. So n is 1 by 2, x is 1 plus y. Keep the term same, n x n minus 1. N is 1 by 2 minus 1 plus under root 1 plus x as it is, and derivative of y with respect to x is as it is, dy by dx plus y. Here now we y again we will differentiate 1 plus y, but we get dy by dx plus y 1 by 2. Here we again apply power rule. According to power rule, n x n minus 1, and again we'll differentiate 1 plus x, but we get derivative of x with respect to x is 1 is equal to 0. So we don't need to write here 1. Under 1 plus y plus x by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 will become minus 1 by 2. When taken in the denominator, minus 1 by 2 will become positive 1 by 2. And the positive 1 by 2 is equal to square root. dy by dx plus under root 1 plus x dy by dx plus 1 by y by 2 1 plus x whole raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 will become minus 1 by 2. And when we take in the denominator, minus 1 by 2 will become positive 1 by 2. Now we'll combine these two terms and these two terms. We'll take common from dy by dx. So dy by dx and x by 2 under 1 plus y plus under 1 plus x plus under 1 plus y plus y by 2 under 1 plus x is equal to 0. Now we'll take LCM. And how to take LCM? 2 under 1 plus y. Both are in, when we take LCM, both these two terms are in the denominator. Divided, when we divide, but we get 1. So multiply by 1, we get x. X ones are x plus. Now here 1 is divided by this term, we'll get this whole term, and when it is divided, so 2 under 1 plus x under 1 plus y. So this whole term is in the numerator, will come in the numerator. Plus, now we'll take common from these two terms, we'll take LCM from these two terms, 2 under 1 plus x. This term is not in the denominator, so we multiply by the numerator. 2 under 1 plus x under 1 plus y plus both these two terms are in the denominator, so we multiply by 1. Both of these two terms are in the denominator, so y multiply 1, but it get y is equal to 0. Now dy by dx x plus 2 under 1 plus x 1 plus y 2 under 1 plus y. We take in the right side, positive 2 will become negative 2 under 1 plus x. We take in the same under root plus y by 2 under 1 plus x. Now this term is multiplied by this term. When we take in the right side, multiply divided will come divided in the right side. So which term is in the denominator? When we take in the right side, denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2 under 1 plus x into 1 plus y plus y by 2 under root 1 plus x. This term is already here, and we, as I told you, denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. So 2 and 2 both cancel each other. What we get? Y minus 2 under 1 plus x into 1 plus y and divided by under 1 plus x and under 1 plus y divided by x plus 2 under 1 plus x into 1 plus y dy by dx. So this is our dy by dx, which is a required answer.